Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to see your connected Facebook account password. Actually Facebook is really very important for us because through this Facebook account we can communicate with our friends, family members, right? And actually sometimes we got some problem that we couldn't find our Facebook password, right? And if we don't find our Facebook password, that time we cannot change our Facebook password, we cannot log in another phone, right? So this is really problematic. So if you really want to learn how to see your Facebook password, then please follow this video. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. And I'll also ask you that please follow this Facebook page, which is Rare iTech, because every day I uploaded a new video into this page, so you can learn many things from there. So whatever, let's go for the process. So for doing that, you need to go to your phone settings option. So let me go mine, and after that just scroll down and you can see in here security and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and you can see in here more privacy settings. So let me click on it. Then you can see in here autofill service from Google, so let me click on it. Then you need to click here Google password manager. And one more thing, if you don't find these settings from there, just get back from here and you need to search here, just search here autofill, okay, and you will find this kind of interface. So let me click on it, then click here autofill service. Then you can see there is Google account, okay, so let me click here Google password manager under this account, and you can see there is no Facebook account password available, okay. So what you need to do, just get back from here and then click here Google account. And if you have multiple account, then you need to click here and you will see your all kinds of Gmail account in there, okay. So let me choose the first one, and after that click here continue option. Then you need to click here Google password manager now, and in that section, in that email address, you can see there is facebook.com. so you need to search it manually if you have multiple Gmail account in your phone, okay. So whatever, just click here facebook.com and then give your phone password, and after that you can see this is my Facebook account, Gmail account, and in that section you can see there is a password. So if you want to see it, just click here this icon, and after that you can see your Facebook account password, and you can also copy it from there. Just click on that section, okay. So you can see this way your Facebook account password, okay. So let me share you another process, which is just click here Google Chrome and then click here three dot line, then click here settings. After that you can see there is your account, so you can change it from there. So in that account you can see in here Google password manager, and you can see your Facebook account password from there also, okay. So that's the process. So by this easiest process you can see your Facebook account password easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like and do subscribe.